back to my YouTube channel. So I have been busy making so many savory dishes for the past 2 weeks that I have had an insatiable appetite for something sweet. So I was like, what can I have? I didn't really want to have cake, I didn't want to have a donut. I just wanted to have something that I could kind of pick up and just snack on and munch on, have with ice cream, not have with ice cream. So I thought, okay, I'll make some brownies. Every single recipe that I found had brownies, but it was black bean brownies. And I thought, this is so boring. I want to make something different. So I kept searching and then I forgot about it. I forgot that I even wanted something sweet. And over the weekend, I was looking on some random person's Instagram page. Actually, I do follow the person. And they had posted a picture and I just decided to go through their page and I was looking at their pictures and looking at their posts. And one of their posts, they had the most delicious looking brownies. And it was sweet potato brownies. And I thought, sweet potato brownies? I've never seen sweet potato brownies. Never tasted them, never heard of them, never seen them. So I thought, what the heck? Go ahead and make you some sweet potato brownies, girl. You never know, they might taste really good. So I found so many different recipes online, but of course, I always have to make the recipe my own. So I am making sweet potato brownies, but I'm actually gonna add some walnuts to it, and I'm hoping that it really gives it that nice brownie, nutty taste. What I love about this recipe is that it doesn't require any milk, so even if I was gonna use milk, of course I could use unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but it doesn't require any milk, no eggs, no butter. All you need is some sweet potatoes, some peanut butter, all natural. So Earth Balance has an all natural peanut butter. That is delish. So I've got my sweet potatoes in here, mixed in with my vanilla extract. I've already got my peanut butter all melted nice. Got my chocolate chips, my walnuts, have all my dry ingredients, and I'm about to whip a batch of brownies that is probably gonna last about 3 minutes. Once they're cool, it's just like pop, 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 pop in your mouth. You guys ready to make this? Let's go. All right, so I already have my vanilla extract, like I said, already mixed in with my sweet potatoes. So you gotta make sure that your sweet potatoes are nice and soft and mushy so it blends really well. I have my peanut butter. So I'm just gonna add that peanut butter. Oh, I love peanut butter. Who else doesn't love peanut butter? Well, my son's allergic to peanut butter. Womp, womp, womp. Oh well, no brownies for him. So you just want to scoop in all your peanut butter. I have a brother who's allergic to peanut butter. Oh, my brother, I am so sorry. You won't be able to have any of these brownies. I'm gonna find one for you. All right, so take up your whisk and you just whisk it on low. Everything inside. I'll let you guys get a good view of this so you see. And I'm just whisking it on in, making sure I blend in the peanut butter with the sweet potatoes and the vanilla extract. Real good. When I tell you guys that this recipe is super easy, it is super easy. No fuss, no mess, nothing. So yeah, just get in real nice. You just want to make sure that it's all nice and blended in. You want to make sure your vanilla extract is evenly distributed and that the peanut butter, has overwhelmed the sweet potatoes. And so basically it looks like it's just peanut butter, but it's got that secret vegetable inside there. That's what I love about this too. So for all you moms out there that are having issues with your kids, trying to get them to eat their veggies, you can make them some sweet potato brownies. Packed with protein, which is awesome as well. All right, so now that we've got that all done. I meant that jerk. So now I'm gonna take all my dry ingredients. So here, I did not follow the recipe to a T. So the recipe has said that, hey, you can use all-purpose flour, oat flour. I even found one that said you can use spelt flour, but I am allergic to gluten. So anytime I'm baking anything, cake, cookies, brownies, whatever, I always make sure that, you know, I can use my gluten-free flour. Because I don't want to just make this stuff. I want to be able to munch on it here and there as well. So you want to make sure that you've mixed all the dry ingredients. So I have my gluten-free flour here. I have my sugar and my salt and baking soda, and I also have my did I say sugar? Sugar, salt, baking soda, cocoa powder. My cocoa powder and my flour, all in here. So you want to make sure that you mix this up really well. Especially because of the baking soda. Next up, I am gonna take my chocolate chips. Take my chocolate chips, crushed walnuts. Mix that on up in there as well. Then I'm gonna add my dry ingredients to the wet. So every single recipe that I read said, make sure you add the dry to the wet and not the other way around. So let me get my spoon. And I am gonna get on up in there and mix it really, really, really good. So initially when you're mixing it, you're like, oh my goodness, I don't have enough wet to combine with the dry. But once you get in there and you mix it really good, you'll see you'll have enough to have that, you know, gooey mixture, that gooey texture that you want. Alright guys, so after you mix and mix and mix, it's gonna be like a nice gooey paste. So I've already greased my little baking pan, and you have to grease your baking pan like really, really, really well. Like super grease it. Don't grease it like how you would grease it if you were doing a cake and all that stuff. No. And you just take your spoon, and flatten out my kind of looks like cookie dough. Flatten it out inside your baking pan, making sure that you get it nice and even. And I like to take the spatula and make it smooth. You want to make it even because you don't want a situation where on one side of the pan you have these big, luscious, chunky pieces of brownies, and then on the other side you got these big little tiny pieces. Nice and chunky and mouthwatering. Yeah, okay. We're all good? I'm gonna pop this bad boy into the oven for 25 minutes and then we're done. Alright guys, so here we have it. My extra ooey gooey and oh so yummy sweet potato brownies. So I've paired it with some so delicious soy-free, dairy-free, gluten-free ice cream. Vegan approved. Sprinkle some walnuts on top of it, you know. Presentation is everything. And I'm about to go in and taste it. The ice cream. This is so delicious. I don't know how to describe it to you. It is moist, just succulent. Oh my goodness, I have to take another bite. OMG. This is too good to be true. Like, I'm coming back and I'm gonna be selling this. Like, seriously. I'll let your girl if you want a piece of this sweet potato brownie. I got you.